grew up in Brentwood, L-I-N-Y, and I know it ain't the best place, but I love it, man, I can't lie. A place infested with police and people throwing up gang signs. A place where I found proper education at the same time. Whenever they make the news, they doing what haters do, even though some things that they say is true. It would get me mad as hell when I turn to channel 12 and they only tell but the things that ain't going well. And when we excel, they never pay attention, and if they do, it's something that the news fails to mention. What's your intentions? Did it keep my town from rising? Doesn't sound surprising since you're only recognizing all the violence. People are mindless when they hear something that's horrible. They think the only good from Brentwood is that it's affordable, but that's not it. There's more to know. Now let me take you somewhere that reporters won't. The basketball courts in North Elementary. It was more than just sports for all of my friends and me. A place where we could go to build our self-esteem and talk about dreams that we hope to achieve eventually. And they won't take you to the spots where we skated, where the cops try to gate it, cause the cops always hated that was one of the places all of the skaters congregated. And just for that reason, my town should be top rated. A lot of people get mad at my hood, but you gotta take the bad with the good. A lot of people get mad at my hood, but you gotta take the bad with the good. And sometimes I get mad at my hood, but I gotta take the bad with the good. A lot of people get mad at my hood, but you gotta take the bad with the good. Yeah. Now tell someone to bring the cameras in and tell them why the soccer team were undefeated champions, and tell them how the Brentwood music program won the Grammy. Then tell me why the clowns from other towns can't stand me when you know they be the ones that poppin' zannies, and I can't begin to tell you all of their other shenanigans. But the truth is, ain't nobody good, so take a look at yourself before you hate on my hood. It's messed up, isn't it? I tell you where I'm from and you assume that I'm ignorant. That's ignorance in itself, so you calling me ignorant. Well, I guess it makes two of us and we ain't all that different. And I can just imagine all the things you be picturing whenever I tell you about the place I was living in. I bet if you visited, then you probably see that is more than all the stories that you watch on TV. Guaranteed, and it's the same if you from the Bronx, Brooklyn, or Queens. They only seeing what's wrong and not how good it could be. But if you open your eyes, you'll find hope in these streets. And that's why the hood breeds some of the dopest MCs. Who knows, I might just be like EPMD, to go from Brentwood, Long Island, and make it to MTV, or maybe VH1. I don't care how the fame comes, but when I get there, I bet they know exactly where I came from. And that's from Brentwood, L-I-N-Y, and I know it ain't the best place, but I love it, man, I can't lie. Brentwood, L-I-N-Y, and I know it ain't the best place, but I love it, man, I can't lie. Brentwood, L-I-N-Y, and I know it ain't the best place, but I love it, man, I can't lie. Brentwood, L-I-N-Y, and I know it ain't the best place, but I love it, man.